In today's video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step guide to register your business with CAC in Nigeria. Step-by-step guide to register your business with CAC in Nigeria. Welcome back to Yika Beams. I am a CAC registration expert and I've been registering businesses, company, NGOs in Nigeria for the past 3 years and close to 4 years. This year, November 2025, will make it 4 years as a CAC registration expert. So why should you listen to me? Because I have handled and served over 700 clients since 2021 when I began the journey of the CAC registration business. Now, what is CAC? I'm going to take it step by step. CAC registration is what is called the Corporate Affairs Commission. It is the body that is responsible for registering businesses in Nigeria. For every registration that is carried out in Nigeria, the body responsible for it is called Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, there are different types of business structures that any business owner or any entrepreneur should register in Nigeria. I'm going to be mentioning them. So, the first business structure, I have the business name, which is either the sole proprietorship or the partnership business name. The second, we have the limited liability company, which is the company registration. The third one is the non-governmental organization, which is the NGO registration. Anyone that has a church, a mosque, an association, a union, an orphanage, a foundation will register under the NGO, under the category of the CAC registration. So again, we have the business registration, we have the company, and we have the NGO. Now, why should you register your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission? I'm going to be giving you 4 reasons why you should register your business. Number 1, it gives you legal recognition. Because when you register your business, you are sending a signal that your business is not just an hobby, you are not running an unregistered brand, that you are running a legal, secured brand with the Corporate Affairs Commission, that brand name is solely yours and not that you are building your brand on another person's name. The second reason why you should register your business with CAC is because you are going to build trust. You are going to gain trust from your customer. Some people will not want to patronize you, may not want to patronize you because your business is not registered. Imagine you sending your client's account number, but you are sending it in your personal name. Some people say, I want your business account number, but if you do not register your business, you can never have an account number. So it helps you to gain trust with your customer. The third reason is you have access to business opportunities. There are times that maybe you see any video online and they'll say this video or this particular section or this particular month, we are giving grants to business owners and the business owners must be registered. So I want you to pitch your brand. You want to do a 1-minute video, 2-minute video telling us how this 500,000 naira will be good or will benefit your brand. And they will put a clause that you must have a registered brand. So imagine that you want to pitch for your brand, you will not be able to pitch because you don't have a registered brand. That's one of the way you lose opportunities. You can even get access to grants. If you do not have a business account or a registered brand, you will not be able to have access to grants, to contracts, to any other opportunities, as it were. Now, the last reason why you should register your business is you have access to having your own corporate account. So after registering your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission, or you have registered your NGO or your company, you can now take those documents with your team to the bank to register your company. Without having a business account registered with CAC, you cannot have a business account. You cannot jump it. You have to register first before you open a business account. So 4 reasons: it will help you to gain trust with your customer, it gives you legal recognition, it opens door for you to get loans, grants, contracts, and any other business opportunity, and lastly, it helps you to have access to a business bank account or a corporate account. When you want to register your business with CAC, there are documents that you need to present. You are going to present your valid ID card, your passport photograph, and your signature. And you also need your date of birth, your phone number, your personal details, your business address, your home address, your email address, and two business name. So these are the documents and the things that you need when you want to register your business. I want you to know that while watching this video, a business name registration is different from a company registration. I am majorly focusing on business name while I'm explaining this video. But when it comes to other category like company, you will need director, shareholder. For NGO, you will need trustee, etc. But for business name, you will need your personal details, your business address, your home address, your phone number, your two business name, your email address, and your personal and business address. These are the only information that you need, and your ID card, your signature, and your passport. And you can now register your business with CAC. First, I want to explain is the first step of registering your business with CAC. Remember, I said that in this video, I'm taking you through the step by step. I've gone through what is CAC registration. I've explained the reasons that you register your business or gave you benefits of registering your business. I've explained the business structures that we have in Nigeria. And I've also explained the documents that you need to register your business in Nigeria. I've explained 4 points. Now I'm going to the fifth point. The fifth point says the first step to register your business in Nigeria is for you to go to the CAC website. The website to register your business in Nigeria is pre.cac.gov.ng. I am going to put it on the screen. pre.cac.gov.ng. I want you to note that I have a business name registration course. So after watching this video and you want to get access to my business registration course, you want to be able to do your business registration by yourself, and you also want to be able to help other people to register, it is only 10,000 naira. Use the link under this description to send me a message on WhatsApp and get the course. It is a course, it is not a class. When you pay for the course, you get access to the course immediately. So let me explain the first step in registering your business. The first step is to do a proper name search. What is name search? Names from the word name and search. There is a particular website on CAC that will allow you to know if your business name has been taken or it is not taken. When I mean it is taken, that means that someone else has registered your business. So before you register any business in Nigeria on CAC, the first thing you have to do a proper name search. For the name search will be on the screen as I speak, and when you go to the link, you will input your business name there. You are going to input it according to the word. In another video, I will show you how to do a proper name search, but I just want to do it and just want to explain the theoretical part. So you will type your business name there and you begin to search. If your business name looks similar to the one on CAC portal, it is 90% probability that your business name will be denied, and you have to come up with another name or to add more names, more words to the name. That being said, now when you want to register your business to CAC, you are going to submit two names to CAC. However, if you do not have two names, maybe two different names, you can submit one name and CAC will respond and tell you if it is approved or not. If you submit two names and CAC do not like any of the two names, they are going to reject the name. And when they are rejecting the name, they will not tell you that they are rejecting one name. When it is rejected, that means when you see rejection, that means the names that you submitted has been rejected. That means the money you have paid to CAC then has been wasted. You have to reserve another name. And that's why I tell people that if your name is similar to the one on the portal, I will let you know as your expert that is working on your registration. And when I will give you suggestions, I have given my clients, over their suggestions. I've helped them to add some words to their name if the name that we found on says is similar. Then I will send it to them. I most of the time send like 5 suggestions, 10 suggestions. So they will not tell me the one that they like. If they don't like it, they will add their own to it. So that's how we now come up with one name. But if you are saying an exact word on CAC and you want to reserve that exact word, I am here telling you as a CAC registration expert that CAC will deny the names. So I hope you know what you're doing. So the next phase for the registration process is the CAC registration process. This is the stage where you start filling all the details of your phone number, of your email address, your nature of business, your name, your business address, your home address, etc. However, It is not all services that can be registered under business name. There are some services that CAC will never allow you to register under business name. Example, a school. If you are watching this video and you have someone that runs a school and the person have not registered his or her school, the person cannot register it under a business name. The person will have to register that school under company, which is the limited liability company. So if you are watching this video and you haven't registered your school, your academy, or your primary or secondary school with CAC, please note that it is supposed to be registered under the limited liability company, which is the company registration. Will have access, you will get a shareholder, witness, and director. So, like I was saying, not all services can be registered under the business name. There are some services like school, like security company, construction, they will not allow. They can only allow when you provide a professional certificate. If you do not have a professional certificate, do not register under business name because CAC will query you. I handled a client registration was a construction. They did not agree because the client do not have a PC. And I already told the client that this is a probability that I'm not sure CAC is going to allow I approve this name under the business name without PC, but decided to give it a try because the client does not have. And at the end of the day, we ended up substituting that name to another. We removed the whole construction there. So if you want to register a construction business on business name, you must have something that is called a proficiency certificate. A proficiency certificate is a certificate that that you are proficient, that you are an expert in your field. Just like if you go to school after your degree, they will give you a certificate that you came to this school, you came out with third class, you with 2-1, with first class. That is what a proficiency certificate will tell you. To give you to tell it will carry your name and say so I successfully done the construction course or whatever, and they will give you. That means you are certified in that field. That is what a proficiency certificate means. So all it's not all services that can be registered under business name, but we have services like jewelry, beads, clothing, shoes, foodstuff, makeup, cleaning agent. All of these ones can be registered under the business name, while other services cannot fall under business name, but they will fall under company. I hope I am making sense. Now, after your registration have been done, after you have filled the process, you have filled the details on CAC, you are going to upload the required documents, which are the signature, your passport photograph, and your valid means of ID. After uploading these three, you will now pay the CAC filing fee. When you go to the CAC portal, you will see the CAC filing fee there. You will pay it. Registration will go under pending. Pending means that it is waiting for an awaiting officer to respond to it. So after a few days, it could even be after a few hours, CAC will respond to it and they will either query it if your registration something is not clear to them, maybe in your address or the nature of business. They will query it that you should fix it. When you resolve the query, it will go back to pending, meaning that another officer, or the officer or another officer will attend to it again. So when the officer comes and attend to it and the person approves your registration, you will go on CAC portal and you will see approved. When your registration is approved on CAC portal under the business name, you will see it, or under the company or under the NGO, you will see it under the registered section of the CAC registration portal. I am going to put how the registered section looks like. I'm just going to put a screenshot on this video while editing. When it has been approved, it is your duty to download your documents within 7 days. Yes, CAC gives you only 7 days to download your certificates. After 7 days and you do not download your certificate, CAC will ask you to pay. You will pay another money. So if you are watching this video and you want to carry out your own CAC registration business by yourself, that means you know what you're doing. You don't go and do mini mini money mo. You can send me a DM and get my course and do the registration by yourself and also help other people to register. The cost is only 10,000 naira. Make sure that after you have registered your business and CAC has approved it, make sure you download the document immediately. Don't say I will come back, because you will forget and you will that CAC another 5,000 naira. This is me to you telling you. So after the registration has been approved, you have now successfully registered your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. The next thing is for you to go and generate your team. But nowadays, the thing now appears on the business name registration documents. So you can either get the separate thing, or you take that document to the bank to open a business account. So after registration is done with CAC and you have your team, you will head on to any bank of your choice in Nigeria to register and open a business account for you. The business account will be opened in your business name. So example, my business name is Beam Resources and Christy Biz and Accessories. I can walk up to GT tomorrow and say I want to register business account in GT with my business name. So my business account will carry Christy Biz and Accessories, or we carry Beam Resources. So that is how it works. So after registering, you can now open your business account and begin to operate your business and begin to have everything well sorted out. Okay, I wrote common mistakes here. Let me quickly talk about the common mistakes. Common mistakes that you make when you're registering your business. Number one, if you are submitting a similar name, I already said it, CAC will deny you. Number two, if your details is incorrect, maybe they don't understand your nature of business or your name or the address, anything is not correct, CAC will query you as at the time of registering. So they will query it and ask you to do the right thing. Then the third is when your business name is vague, or if your business name is ambiguous, they don't understand your business name. In fact, the whole nature of business is looking like it is too much grammar and they cannot grab it, they will query it. And also, if you are using some sensitive words, they will also query it. So this is how the CAC registration is done in Nigeria if you are registering a business. Again, if you want to learn CAC registration, I have a course titled CAC Business Registration Course. You can watch the video and register your business by yourself. It is only 10,000 naira. Use the link in the description of this video. Just check the WhatsApp link and send me a message on WhatsApp saying, I want to register for the business registration course. It is 10,000 naira. And you'll be able to register your business by yourself and also help other people register. So it's like if you want to make more money, yes, if you are a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad, or you are a student or you are an entrepreneur watching this video, you can get access to my CAC registration course, the CAC Business Name Registration course, and watch it. I also have all the other categories. I have company registration course, NGO, I have post incorporation. I have all the courses. So you can just send me a DM and say, I want to start CAC registration. How much is it? Hold your 50,000 naira for to learn both the pre and the post incorporation. But if you want to start on a budget, you can start with only 10,000 naira. Business name registration course alone is 10,000 naira, and you get access to the course and you'll be able to make and do your registration by yourself. So in my next video, I am going to be showing you how to do a proper name search on CAC. So till I post the next video, if you have any questions under this video, please don't forget to drop me a comment. You can also follow my business page. To follow any of my business page, please check the link in the description to follow the page. It is Beam Resources on Instagram, and also you can also follow me on Facebook. You can also drop your questions. If you know that you have a friend that has not registered his or her business, you can share this video with them. Don't keep this video for yourself. If you have any questions at all, drop it here. My next video, I am going to be dropping how to do a proper name search on CAC. If you want to get the course, send me a message on WhatsApp using the link in my description. Till I come your way next time, my name is Olayinka and you are welcome to Yinka Beams. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.